What's up everybody, I'm Andre, and this is Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. Have you ever heard of this fruit? Because today we're talking about it. It's called Lucuma. Born from the Lucuma puteria tree, the lucuma is a fruit native to South America, but in particular, Ecuador and Peru. It's got a round to oval shape, going from brown to yellow in color, and a bright yellow flesh. So even if the fruit sounds new to you or I, it's actually been around for thousands of years. As far back as 100 AD with the indigenous Peruvians, the mosh. Did you know? The Peruvians call the lucuma the gold of the Incas due to its vibrant yellow-orange color. In English, a few people call it the egg fruit. This is because of the flesh's dry, hard-boiled egg texture. Many people have described the fruit's flavor as a combination of maple syrup, mango, sweet potato, and butterscotch. There's a party in my mouth and you're all invited. That sounded so weird. Lucuma is used in many different dishes. For example, ice cream, smoothies, and flan. Because the fruit is easily damaged, it's often sold as pulp, puree, or in powdered form. The powdered form has become a popular low-sugar sweetener as more and more people are using it in their nut milk, tea, coffee, yogurt, oatmeal, and chia pudding. When using it in baking, however, the website The Spruce Eats says to be a little careful. Lucuma powder does not hold water like your regular granulated sugar. So for some recipes, in order to keep the consistency, you may need to add more of a liquid ingredient. In just 100 grams of lucuma powder, you will find 320 to 350 calories, 2.5 to 4 grams of protein, 0 to 2.40 grams of fat, 28 grams of fiber, and 87 to 88 grams of carbs. But the awesomeness doesn't stop there. Lucuma also contains iron, zinc, niacin, calcium, vitamin B3, and vitamin C. It can help with the health of your skin. It's also a rich source of flavonoids and antioxidants. Well, that's all I have for you this week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Have you tried lucuma? How would you describe its taste? Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new and interesting videos just like this one. Okay guys, I'm Andre, and that was Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!